Alright, so we got a 2013, 2014 Nissan Sentra. Oh Lord. Now people been asking me, when am I gonna get back in front of the camera? In due time. In due time. Right now, just me holding the camera. So, Sentra. And it is push start. Alright. There you see that we have it fully loaded. Just missing ain't got no sunroof, but you know. Alright, so I'm gonna hit this button here 3 times. There it is, everything's on. Alright. Actually better than the factory, because everything kicks on and not just some things. Alright. Same way I turned it on, turn it off. Alright. Everything is off. So there you have it. 2013, 2014 Nissan Sentra with the factory push start. 2013, 2014 remote start can be added by pressing lock 3 times. With the DBR2, that's enough on this one, enough said. I got more cars to go knock out. So, Auto Press UNLTD, we out.